I remember telling you last time that this time, Museveni must go. I remember telling you this. And many of you were backing against me. Many of you were abusing me. Many of you were speaking arrogantly, commenting on my message. But I want to tell you the truth. According to the resolutions we have all over the country, Museveni has done nothing. Beginning with his own region, the Western region. Museveni and his group originated from the western parts of Uganda to come and take over this country. But the problem, the Western Uganda, the Western districts, are also among the poorest districts in this country. Western Uganda, for example, Kisoro district, Kabale district, Kanungu district, there is Chihihi, there is Butogota, there is Rukunjiri, there is Bushenyi, there is Ishaka, there are so many districts there, deep in Western Uganda. There is Kasese, there is Bundibujo, there is Ntoroko, there is Kabarole, there is Kamwenge, Ibanda, Ishongolero. There are so many districts there. They are among the poorest districts in the country. Imagine places where the president of the country originates from and has ruled the country for more than 40 years. Imagine, they are among the poorest countries in the poorest districts in this country. Why do we feel this pity for our country? Uganda has been inconsiderate of who Museveni is. We have never minded about who Museveni is until things became worse and everyone was thinking about this government ruling the country for 40 years and no one is benefiting. What is the logic behind that? What's the problem there? Excuse me. So we discovered all these details. Museveni has a small group called the Bahima who plotted to form the Bahima Century Dynasty. This dynasty has been there for more than 50 years now. Since Museveni joined the Ugandan government, especially in the past regimes of Obote and Amini, Museveni has been plotting this for how they can survive in the country which is not theirs. Because Museveni knows well that the Bahima are not the countrymen, are not the indigenous people of Uganda. So Museveni has been looking for the way they can survive in the country and taking lead in every sector of the government such that the Ugandans cannot wake up at all to understand their rights and freedom and ownership of their country. But now, we got light from a mere person, a musician, a comedian, someone who came even from the ghetto, a worthless man who came from anywhere and came and turned and stirred everything up. And now Museveni is panicking. The whole of government officials are panicking. The whole of generals, the whole of ministers, the ministers and the judges and the justices are all panicking. They are sleepless because Bobby Wine came to rescue Uganda and to give light to all Ugandans, to shed light to all indigenous people of Uganda, so that they can understand the ownership they have on this country, so that they can know who they are in their country. Man, you know Museveni has been lying and deceiving us through his people, through his agents and detectives and whatever. He has been sending people to us, lying to us on social media, lying to us on TVs, lying to us in public places. But now, we have put all the lies down. We have to wake up as Ugandans. I'm telling you the truth. This is the time that we should all wake up, join hands together, and leave alone everything like tribalism, leave alone everything like sectarianism, leave alone anything concerning tribes and religion and whatever. Let us join hands as Ugandans, indigenous people of Uganda. And we just this small group of Bahima. They have been on our heads for so long. They have been torturing us. They are killing our people, our brothers and sisters. They are promoting corruption everywhere. A Ugandan individual cannot get a job in a big office where these people are still in this government. When these people are still ruling the country, an indigenous Ugandan you be thought about now, you cannot even be considered anywhere. Whether in education, whether in health, whether in whatever, any ministry, they cannot consider you a Ugandan. Unless you accept to be their puppet, unless you accept to be their worker, their servant, their donkey. It's when they will take you as a person, but still, you cannot enter their courts. You stay behind there. You stay behind the doors, behind the windows. You are used as rags. Indigenous people of Uganda. The other ones are taken as princes and princesses. But indigenous Ugandans are the slaves to this group of people of Bahima. But this is the time, man. All Ugandans have woken up. They have seen light. They now understand. Even if you bring what? The Ugandan army is for the people. It's not for Museveni. The Ugandan police is not for only one person. It's not for one party. It's not for one party national resistance movement. It's for all Ugandans. All political parties are managed, are kept under the law of the Constitution of Uganda, and they are controlled by Uganda police, by UPDF, protected by UPDF, and every security issue about Ugandans should be handled by security agencies effectively and according to the Constitution, according to the law. Not working for one person, not working for one party, not working for one group of people, not working for one tribe. The Ugandan agencies, security agencies, should work for all countrymen of Uganda to see that they are safe and secure with their properties and the borders of Uganda as a whole. Not the home, not the family of one person, not the tribe of one person, not the essence of one person, but everybody should gain, should benefit from the security agencies of Uganda. Whether a criminal, they should also be handled according to the law. They should not be brutalized. They should not be killed without investigation, because the courts of laws are there, and the judgment policies are there. Let these people be judged. Let these people be represented to the courts of law. But we should not be killed in broad daylight like this. What is happening nowadays? People are being brutalized immensely, and people are dying alone in the government of Museveni for nothing, because of speaking truth. You come out, speak truth, you get brutalized and be killed. The government of Museveni is to go to there.